level.
This project comes from within, from the community itself.
We are all very excited about this project going ahead and breaking ground very soon.
This is a project that's going to last for generations. I know my grandchildren are going to go to this school.
We can bring Islam to this community and be role models for our community in America and hopefully become leaders in the future.
सफीर पाकिस्तान।
नाज़रीन, हमारा मशहूर सेगमेंट लोकल ग्लोबल। जी हाँ, लोकल ग्लोबल में हम मुख्तलिफ न्यूज़ स्टोरीज़ सोशल राउंड अप लेकर आते हैं आपके लिए। पिछले माह मेरा जाना हुआ था बे एरिया, क्योंकि वहाँ पे अपना की पूरी टीम आई हुई थी, जिसमें प्रेसिडेंट जनाब डॉक्टर समद और डायरेक्टर तारिक चीमा और उनकी टीम वहाँ पे, क्योंकि उन्होंने होस्ट कमेटी इस्टेब्लिश करनी थी और देखना था कि आइंदा आने वाला प्रोग्राम जो है जुलाई 1 को जो हो रहा है, जुलाई 1 से लेकर 5 जुलाई तक होगा, कि उसमें वो क्या कुछ करेंगे। तो इस सिलसिले में उन्होंने एक होस्टिंग कमेटी तरतीब दे दी है, जिसके चेयरमैन कन्वेंशन के हैं जनाब डॉक्टर मुबशर और को चेयर जनाब डॉक्टर मुनीर हैं, और चेयरमैन एंटरटेनमेंट डॉक्टर तारिक मिर्ज़ा हैं, जो प्रेसिडेंट है चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के बेरिया के। नाज़रीन, अपना एक बहुत ही मुस्तहकम बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, लेकिन अब देखना यह है कि आने वाला जो कन्वेंशन है वो किस तरीके से कामयाब होगा, क्योंकि पहला मौका है ईस्ट कोस्ट से निकल के काफ़ी अर्से बाद अपना जो है वेस्ट कोस्ट पर आई है। डेफिनेटली बे एरिया नहायत खूबसूरत, नहायत दिलचस्प, हिस्टोरिक, सीनिक सब कुछ है वहाँ पे बर्फ़ भी है, दरिया भी है, समंदर भी है, पहाड़ भी हैं, खूबसूरत सिटीज़ हैं, सब कुछ मौजूद है। अब देखना यह है कि जो डॉक्टर समद हैं वो किस तरीके से मैनूवरिंग करते हैं होस्ट कमेटी के साथ और को चेयर के साथ और मुख्तलिफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ, मुख्तलिफ चैप्टर के साथ और मुख्तलिफ अलमनाई के साथ। ये उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है इस कन्वेंशन को कामयाब करने का। होटल बीचों बीच में है डाउनटाउन के, बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है, चारों तरफ इंडियन पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, कल्चर सेंटर हैं, शॉपिंग सेंटर्स हैं। तो नाज़रीन, आइए देखते हैं उस प्रोग्राम की कुछ झलकियाँ। और वहाँ पे कुछ एक खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम भी हुआ था, मुन्नी बेगम आई थी, एंटरटेनमेंट, और एक छोटा सा रिसेप्शन था जिसमें मुख्तलिफ कैंडिडेट ने अपने अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया। आइए देखते हैं ये प्रोग्राम।
After the elections, the new board, the slate of officers is as follows. Dr. Munir Javed, he's a president for 2009, and Dr. Munawar Alvi is president-elect for year 2010. Dr. Shahid Abbasi is our secretary, and Dr. Ejaz Naqvi is our treasurer for year 2009 and 10.
Assalamu alaikum. On the behalf of Main Apna Northern California and Oregon chapter, I welcome all of you. As usual, as we have done in the past 2 years, beside having a meeting with the Apna chapters, we open it to the public. So the public can participate in our own meetings and be a part of this entertainment, because this is not possible without participation from all of you. This time we have an unusual meeting that executive members of Main Apna are here, as Dr. Bara introduced them to you. We will be having a Main Apna meeting in July 1st to 4th at San Francisco Marriott, and Dr. Mubashir Rana will be the chair of that committee, and I will be co-chairing with him.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Munir. Want to invite all of, well, actually thank all of you to be here, and it's a very nice gathering. Seen a lot of good friends, colleagues here, so thank you very much for coming. I'm sure you'll enjoy the program. I wanted to give you a little bit of update on the summer meeting. As you know, Apna has the annual summer meeting every year. This year we're very fortunate that the first time in the 32-year history of Apna, the meeting is going to be in San Francisco. So we are very glad, delighted, excited, and all ready to work for that meeting. We're going to be the host, so as a good host, we really need to have a grand, very successful meeting. And I'm hoping that with all your help and duas, this will be possible. And
this is a professional medical ethnic organization which is made by Pakistani physicians of North America, and especially Canada as well. You know, we comprise about 15,000 members, and we are the premier organization representing Pakistanis in North America. You know, we do a lot of things, whether it's social welfare work, whether it's an earthquake in Balakot in Pakistan, or there are some floods anywhere in Pakistan, you would always see Apna in that fashion. The old myth that Apna is a social club is not there anymore. Apna is very much involved, very much in taking care of young physicians who come from Pakistan looking for residencies in this country. You know, we are also at the Day on the Hill. We go and lobby for Pakistan for all the major causes which take place. You know, we are so fortunate that President Obama has come in with a message of hope and change. And we as physicians need to see at what stage can we help this administration. I feel that Apna time has come that we need to redefine our image.
Myself, my name is Manzoor Tariq. I'm an interventional cardiologist in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm graduate of Quaid-e-Azam Medical College, Bahawalpur. I'm the one who the founding president of my alumni, 2002. And I have been Apna Executive Committee since then, several years also. We started in our medical alumni, we giving every year 50 scholarship to our student back in Bahawalpur. Though our alumni is small, but we have a big heart. Let me tell you what I have done it, so this way, no, I'm not the politician to say I will do these things. I'm going to tell you what I have done in my past. Never reflects about that person. Besides this, having a 50 scholarship every year, I take equipment. I'm intervention cardiologist so far to my college and Punjab Institute of Cardiology. I have taken equipment and everything worth about $750,000, and inshallah I will continue the same thing also. I'm part of St. Louis, Missouri. I was part of Majlis Ashura and Islamic Foundation. Alhamdulillah, if you can talk to those people, I was a chairperson of fundraising committee. I raised $3.5 million, built a school, gymnasium and library in St. Louis, Missouri after 9/11. That's Alhamdulillah another mojza we have done in St.